Good morning, Anjali. Please come in and sit.
Good morning, sir. Thank you.
How are you today?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I wanted to have a detailed discussion with you today.
Yes, sir. I am ready.
First of all, I want to say that your attitude at work is good.
Thank you so much, sir.
But I also noticed that you are facing some challenges.
Yes, sir. I am facing some problems and I want to improve.
That's a good mindset. Please tell me, what kind of problems are you facing during calls?
Sir, the main problem is communication. Some customers speak very fast.
Okay, and what happens then?
Sometimes I miss important details and I have to ask again.
Do customers get angry when you ask again?
Some customers understand, but some get impatient.
That is normal in a BPO job. How do you handle angry customers?
I stay calm, sir, but sometimes I feel stressed inside.
Stress is common. The important thing is to stay polite.
Yes, sir. I always try to be polite.
When a customer speaks fast, what sentence do you usually use?
I say, sorry, can you repeat?
That's okay, but you can make it more professional.
How, sir?
You can say, sorry for the inconvenience. Could you please repeat that slowly?
Okay, sir. I will use that line.
Also, you can confirm the information.
Like how, sir?
You can say, let me confirm what you said.
That is helpful, sir.
Practice these lines daily.
Yes, sir. I will practice at home.
Now tell me, apart from communication, is there any technical issue?
Yes, sir. Sometimes the system becomes slow.
How often does that happen?
Maybe 2 or 3 times a day.
And what do you do when that happens?
I wait, sir, and try to refresh the screen.
Do you inform anyone?
No, sir, I don't.
If the system is slow, inform IT immediately.
Yes, sir. I will do that from now on.
Also, inform the customer politely.
What should I say, sir?
You can say, thank you for your patience. I'm checking the system.
That sounds professional.
Customers like clear communication.
Sir, sometimes I feel scared to talk too much.
Why do you feel scared?
I am afraid of making mistakes in English.
Making mistakes is part of learning.
Really, sir?
Yes, even experienced employees make mistakes.
That makes me feel relaxed.
Confidence comes with practice.
Sir, I practice English, but slowly.
How do you practice?
I read English sentences and listen to calls.
You can also speak English daily.
With whom, sir?
With friends, colleagues, or even in front of a mirror.
I never tried mirror practice.
Try it. It helps a lot.
Okay, sir. I will try today.
How do you feel about your job overall?
Sir, I like this job, but sometimes it feels challenging.
Challenges help you grow.
Yes, sir. I understand.
What motivates you to come to work every day?
Sir, I want to build a good career.
That's good. Do you have any specific goal?
I want to improve my communication and become a senior associate.
That is a realistic goal.
Thank you, sir.
Remember, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, sir. I will remember that.
My door is always open if you need help.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, you can go back to work now.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your time.
Have a productive day.
You too, sir. Have a nice day.